Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. This video highlights the Sailrite Ultrafeed PREMIUM Packages. The LSZ model is a straight and zigzag stitch sewing machine, and the LS is simply a straight stitch sewing machine. The Premium Package now comes with the brand new, incredible WorkerB Power Pack and is loaded with all our favorite accessories, making your sewing projects easier and more fun. The Sailrite Ultrafeeds are the world's best portable walking foot sewing machines. Purchase a Premium Package and you get the new, incredible WorkerB Power Pack. Let's dive into everything that you get with a Premium Package. Introducing the new WorkerB Power Pack that comes only on the Ultrafeed Premium Packages. You now get industrial servo performance in a portable, compact package. This is a 1/4 horsepower motor compared to the 1/10 horsepower predecessor. Sew very slowly, 1 stitch at a time, or sew 638 stitches per minute. You can now set your comfortable top-end speed with a speed control knob. No matter how hard you press on the foot control, your top-end speed is regulated, just like a servo motor. Let's turn the speed control knob all the way up to its top speed. We'll gently press on the foot pedal. You can see that we have really nice slow speed control. And as we continue to push down more on the foot pedal, you'll see our speed is ramping up. Once we press all the way down on our foot pedal, this is our top end speed. Now let's turn the speed control knob all the way down to its minimal position for top end speed. We'll gently press down on the foot pedal here, and you can see we have slow speed control, just like we did before. But as we continue to press on the foot pedal, our speed ramps up slowly. But because our top end speed is set at the lowest position with our foot pedal all the way down, this is the max speed. Nice. Why is regulating the top end speed so important? Well, if you're sewing something like leather where a hole placed in the wrong spot ruins your project, slow speed sewing is crucial. This is not a universal motor, so at slow speeds, it's quiet. To show the rotation of the balance wheel, let's place a piece of masking tape on it. When sewing thick assemblies at slow speed, the WorkerB Power Pack is ingeniously engineered to provide what we call power boosting. When sewing through thick assemblies at slow speeds, the needle has to push through that thick assembly, and it takes extra power to accomplish that. So the WorkerB Power Pack senses that more torque is required, so it sends more power automatically to the 1/4 horsepower motor to compensate. This power boosting feature is applied each time the needle hits the thick assembly at slow speeds. An on-off power switch is now incorporated into the WorkerB Power Pack, and it controls the machine and the light. Yeah, this is a simple thing, but you can now leave the sewing machine plugged in, and if a child presses on the foot pedal with the machine off, it will not power up. The Premium Package also includes the 1-inch swing-away binder. This binder attachment makes it easy to sew a binding on the edge of your fabric assembly. The 1-inch swing-away binder perfectly folds the binding in half and keeps the stitch perfectly positioned as you sew. All you have to do is guide the fabric assembly into the binder opening, and the binder does the rest. Another great accessory included with the Premium Package is the Deluxe 5.5-inch magnetic sewing guide. It incorporates 2 very strong magnets with special pads to keep the guide securely in place on the bed of the sewing machine. It helps ensure accurate stitch placement in hems and seams. The Premium Package also includes our famous Monster 2 balance wheel. To use the Monster 2 balance wheel, we'll remove the brand new WorkerB balance wheel. We'll also replace the belt with the belt that comes with the Monster 2 balance wheel, and then install the Monster 2 balance wheel. The Monster 2 balance wheel is great for hand cranking, which we'll show a little bit later on, but it's also great for super slow speed control. We'll set the top end speed to its lowest setting using the speed control knob on the WorkerB. Notice the super slow speed control we have with the Monster 2 balance wheel. If you want ultimate control, this balance wheel is excellent. Now we'll turn the speed control knob to the top speed, and you still can sew fairly fast with the Monster 2 balance wheel. Next, we'll show hand cranking with the Monster 2 balance wheel. Remove the belt and set it to the side, and then turn the balance wheel down and towards you, and you can now hand crank. If you don't have power, you can always use the Monster 2 balance wheel with the hand crank and get your sewing done. The heavy weight of the balance wheel makes hand cranking easy, but that Monster 2 balance wheel can sometimes cause the sewing machine to become a little tipsy when you tilt the machine back to do service, so we've designed a kickstand that prevents that from happening. The Monster 2 balance wheel is twice the size and weight of a traditional flywheel for more slow speed control and power. Both balance wheels are driven by a cogged belt and pulley drive system for a no-slip operation. Our Ultrafeed sewing machines include a 2-belt drive system with a speed reduction pulley. This provides more power and better slow speed control. All of Sailrite's Ultrafeed sewing machines include a welting or cording tunnel that's built into the standard foot, so you can sew standard piping without replacing the presser foot. Because the Ultrafeed LSZ has to do zigzag, the cording tunnel is not as large as it is on the LS machine, the straight stitch only machine. Because of that, the LS1 does a better job with cording. So what we did with the Ultrafeed LSZ is we made a larger cording foot that comes with the premium package to resolve that issue. Compared to the standard foot, you can see that the tunnel is much larger on it. This means that sewing standard piping sizes and also larger piping sizes up to 3/16 of an inch is much easier with this foot. So I like to exchange this foot for the standard foot when sewing piping with the Ultrafeed LSZ. When purchasing the LS Premium Package, you'll get the double cording foot set. This foot does not work on the Ultrafeed LSZ. However, it works great on the LS, the straight stitch model. So here we're sewing a double cording using that special foot that comes with the Premium Package. So if you purchase the Premium LSZ, you'll get the larger cording tunnel. If you purchase the Premium LS, you'll get this double cording foot. The Premium Package also comes with the left roping zipper foot. We'll move the needle positioning lever to the right, and that moves the needle to the right, so we can sew very close to a hard object, like this rope covered in a vinyl seating fabric. If you need to sew next to a large bolt rope or larger cording, or anything else that's hard like this, the roping zipper foot left is perfect. Also included is an assortment of needles, 44 needles in 4 variety of sizes. Use the larger needles for heavy-duty sewing applications, and use the smaller needles for light-duty sewing applications. The integrated thread stand is secured to the carrying case and pivots on the case for storage and use. Another great accessory included with the premium package is the Flex 20 LED light. Stick this light to any metal surface with a magnetic base. Having a well-lit work surface can make a big difference in the finished results of your next sewing project. And the WorkerB Power Pack has a plug for the light. That's convenient. The Ultrafeed sewing machines are famous for their mechanical walking foot, which helps pull fabric assemblies consistently via the outer walking foot that works in conjunction with the feed dog. Working together, they help feed fabrics at a constant rate, even over bumps. With the presser foot raised, we achieve a 3/8 inch foot lift, so bulky fabrics can be sewn. All Ultrafeed sewing machine models include the Easy Set Stitch Length plate. Set the stitch to your desired length by using the thumb screw stops. Now your stitch length in both forward and reverse is set for your project's requirements. All of Sailrite Ultrafeed sewing machines include the patented Posi-Pin clutching system. With the Posi-Pin pulled, it disengages the needle drive so you can wind bobbins without the needle moving up and down. Done winding bobbins, Simply reinsert the Posi-Pin and you're ready to sew again. The world-famous Ultrafeed sewing machines are heavy-duty. Internal working parts are all metal. The industrial carrying case is also very sturdy. The case is framed with aluminum edges and the corners are reinforced with zinc alloy. The lid attaches securely to the base via butterfly latches. And it features an industrial-grade spring-loaded handle that makes it easy to carry the Ultrafeed anywhere. Order the Sailrite Ultrafeed Premium Package in the LSZ model, which is our straight-stitch zigzag machine, or the LS model, which is a straight-stitch only machine. Remember, the Premium Package is the only way you will get the incredible, brand new WorkerB Power Pack system. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call or email us. We're glad to help. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.